Hi Taurans, welcome to your February 2021 reading. And I'm going to be looking at all the aspects of your life. Whatever messages come to me, I will pass them on to you as and how I receive them. And if you like a free reading, head over to my Instagram and Facebook. That's where I go live and offer guidance for free. And you can ask me your questions over there. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon. Also like the video if and give me a thumbs up. I'd hugely appreciate it. So what are the messages coming for the sign of Taurus in the month of February 2021? Show me clearly, Spirit. Please show me clearly. You get the card of Knight of Swords. You get the card of Wheel of Fortune. I feel like, Taurans, you are walking out of a karmic relationship or a karmic energy or a karmic situation, something that had been weighing you down for a long time, but now you're finally making your move out of that. You're choosing to see clearly where it is you need to go and what you need to do. I also feel like, Taurans, you are learning to take better care of yourself now, and you're also learning to handle your situations better. With the Queen of Pentacles, I see new sources of income showing up for you. I also see you building and working towards a healthier financial future and a more stable future for yourself. You're even choosing to walk away from people who you think no longer are going to be of any kind of help and support to you. And you are being very, very thoughtful in your approach. You get the card of Hanged Man and the card of Death. I feel like you're moving out of a place of stagnation or immobility, and you're now moving out and feeling, yes, you're moving towards something new. And with the card of the Fool, this could be a new venture. This could be you stepping into a new life for yourself. With the card of Nine of Pentacles, you're definitely looking to hone some talents of yours and grow upon your own skills. But your ability to creatively and develop yourself and come out in the world is gaining more heights. You're getting more confident day by day. And with the Ace of Swords, some of you Taurans may even be thinking about launching a new project for yourself or of your own. You could be looking to start work in a new field. You could be starting something new. Something new is happening here. Some of you Taurans, if you're looking for a visa or looking to travel, that may come to you in the month of February. You're also getting the card of Nine of Swords. Why the Nine of Swords here, Spirit? I feel like you're a little worried about your some kind of investments or your financial future, Taurans. But the Spirit is saying things are moving and progressing just the way they're supposed to. So you need not worry about where you're going to land, because you get the card of the Magician. When the Spirit says you need not worry about where you're going to land, they're actually trying to tell you, stay out of the energy of confusion and negativity or negative thoughts for yourself, because with the card of the Magician, you could be manifesting anything that's on your mind constantly or something that's heavily on your mind. So stop worrying, because you're going to land just in the place where you're supposed to. But with constant worrying, you could be creating more obstacles in your path. The cards that popped out were Eight of Wands and the Six of Wands energy. I feel like some new opportunities, new communications, new people could be coming in towards you, and they could have a lot of drive to either help you, support you, or be around you, be with you. But these people definitely see you as someone who has a lot of strength. You get the card of Chariot in reverse. You still may not be ready to move on completely from your situation, or this person may be around you yet not be making a very strong move towards you, but there will be communication, you will know. But this person is definitely very kind, very sensitive, and a very genuine person. That you get the King of Cups energy, and they are genuinely looking to offer some kind of help and support to you. What's the card of Chariot in reverse here, Spirit? And dear God, you get the Queen of Cups and the King of Cups right after each other. I feel like, Taurans, after all that you have gone through, and this has been quite a ride, this person comes into your life much like a breath of fresh air. And I feel like also that you're going to feel a lot more supported, a lot more loved, a lot more um, cared for. I feel like this person is just the um, other 50% you could be thinking about or looking for in your life. But this is a very significant person in your life who's coming towards you, or for some of you, they may have already shown up. Yes, they're definitely coming with with the Six of Pentacles energy. I feel like they may have some kind of offer of work, something to do with a contract, something to do with some kind of financial support that helps you to get going, or that makes you feel really good about this proposal. And you also get the Two of Wands energy. You could actually be looking to move forward with them in a new direction, is what I'm getting. So someone is coming towards you. You could be working with this person, you could be working for them, but this person looks like someone who is genuinely caring towards you. You get the card of Three of Wands. So after Two of Wands, you get the card of Three of Wands. I definitely feel like new doors are opening for you, and with this opportunity in your life stepping in the month of February, you are definitely walking towards, or you're opening door towards, you're allowing opportunities to come into your life with the Three of. And I feel like with this person and this opportunity that comes into your life in the month of Feb, you're going to go forward. I'm talking a few months and a few years ahead in time, and this allows you, or this actually steers your life in a better and a new, more desired direction, is what I'm getting for you, Taurans. You get the card of Three of Swords. Why do they have Three of Swords here? And the Knight of Cups. I kind of feel like someone broke your heart, or there was something to do with too much, either this relationship was too crowded, or it didn't give you what you were looking for, but now you're choosing to move away from this. So from the Knight of Cups energy, you are coming to a point where someone is offering you the King of Cups energy. And I feel like you have gone through a lot with regards to relationships and emotional unfulfillment in your life, Taurans. But let's see what's going to come. But I feel like you're not going to allow that to bother you anymore, and you're definitely choosing to move away from this into a better and a happier situation. You are healing, like I said. From there to the Four of Swords energy, you are healing, and you are actually saying, whatever was, let that be. I'm going to move forward and create a new future for myself. You're actually walking in the energy of taking charge of your life. And with the Ten of Pentacles, Taurans, whatever this is you're working towards in the month of February is helping you achieve your Ten of Pentacles. Then that's why I said you get the card of the Magician, and alongside there is also the Ten of Pentacles energy. There's the card of Judgment. I feel like you need not worry about how you're going to be in life, or where you're going to land, how comfortable you would be, because things are going to look up for you for sure. And I feel like all this that happened with you in the past, you're very much out of that energy now. It's just that band-aid state, I would like to call, or band-aid stage, I would like to call, where the cut and the bruise they've already happened, the blood has gone, the pain was there, but now no more. You have rubbed yourself clean, and now you're putting a bandage on top of that, and you're ready to heal. And guess what? When you remove that, the wound will be gone, is what I see here. Because now your focus is yourself and your future. So remain positive. Think about where you want to go, because with the card of the Magician, Spirit is helping manifest your dreams for yourself. Gradually, but of course, you're getting there, you're on the way. That's what I have for you, Taurians. Don't forget to join me on Instagram and Facebook for your free reading. And do give this video a thumbs up if you like it. That way it helps to reach out to more people who may be in need and want this message to reach them. So I thank you all for joining me and hope to see you all very soon again. Bye bye and stay safe.